Girl, I'm not the one with thick edges, okay? In fact, they are very thin, but sometimes I gotta do what I gotta do, you hear me? Thin edges, no edges, baby, this half wig still ate. For this half wig install, let me give you the tea on how I made my edges appear very full and very thick. So I applied some mascara on that side and I blended that in with a toothbrush, but the key is putting some tracks on your edges to match with the hair that you're going to be using for the half wig. As you can see, I've got one here and then I have one more. So I have a total of just 2 tracks to make my edges appear very full and very thick. As you can see right here, I installed it behind my hairline so that it can blend very nicely and seamlessly, and then I left out one layer at the top to cover everything. As you can see, we are off to a good start of achieving thick edges. Okay, girl? So I've never been the one that's really good with a middle part, but I did my best and this is what we have. It's gonna have to do. Okay, look at that. So right here, I'm just going in with some edge control. You can use any kind of edge control, but in this video, I am using Cream of Nature edge control. And I like using the edge control before the gel because the edge control will lead the hair exactly where you want it to go. So I'm just going to smooth that down to give it the most coverage. And girl, this looks good already, okay? Who got thin edges? I don't. So right now, I'm just going to secure this with a little small ponytail just to hold everything down and in place because, girl, I did not do all that work just for my hair to get out of place. I need this to stay. All right, now, so let's go in with this Got To Be Glued gel. This is going to serve as my staying power, honey, because when this dries, this is not going anywhere. Everything's going to be locked in. You can go outside, the wind can blow, you know, and your edges are not going to go anywhere. All right. Alright, so let's get this hair dry. I'm going to use this rapid paper. Girl, I sound like I said wrapping paper. If y'all know what the name of this stuff is, please let me know in the comments. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and tie this down, and you can let this air dry or you can use a blow dryer depending on how much time you have. But because I'm at my salon, I'm going to just go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer. Sit back, relax, chill, and catch up on some fashion trends of some up and coming new designers. I got a little bit impatient. This hair is not fully dry. It's about maybe 60% dry, but in real time you guys want this to dry 100%, but this is good enough for the video. I'm just showing you guys my braid pattern. It really doesn't matter what type of braids you have under there. The most important thing is that you have this anchor that I'm showing you guys that's going to go around, as you can see on this side, and that's very important for your combs, okay, to make sure your wig don't slide. So let's go ahead and install this half wig. As you can see, I'm putting this comb on my anchor to make sure we do not have this moment, all right? Like, we cannot have an oh my god moment. Make sure you guys are using a drawstring or a comb. That is very important with a half wig. I mean, we all know that. So right now I'm just taking down the braids. I did a braid out on this hair because I love that look. I wanted the hair to be chunky, fluffy, curly, kinky, like all of the things. So that's what I'm doing right now. And from here, it's just going to be a matter of separating the curls and blending my natural hair to cover the track that's at the top. And yeah, so you're going to see how it comes through. So I'm just taking out some of my natural hair, making sure that I blend and blend and blend, because we cannot have any tracks showing. All right, this is coming together really pretty, you guys. Like, I love this. So I'm just playing with it until I get it to how I like it, but I think I got it. This is giving Solange, okay? This is giving Tina Knowles' daughter. This is so cute, you guys. I love how it came out. Look at me looking like Solange, all right? Yes, I'm Beyonce's sister. I'm loving how this came out, you guys. I mean, look at those curls. And look at that flow. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys like how it came out. And make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, all of the things. All right. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one.